How to use Polar Steps. So, step 1, download Polar Steps from the App Store or Google Play and then create an account. You can sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook. Step 2, set up your profile by adding a profile photo, travel goals, and preferences. Step 3, start your first trip by tapping Create Trip and then add the destination, start and end date, and a short description to label it. Step 4. Use the app while you are traveling. Polar Steps automatically tracks your route using GPS in the background, even offline. Step 5. Add photos, notes, and highlights to each location, and this helps you create a travel diary that updates in real time. Step 6. Share your trip with your friends by sending them your Polar Steps link so they can follow your journey. Step 7. Once the trip is complete, you can even order a printed travel book straight from the app. If you have more questions, you can go to their support. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.